Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long time now. I'm glad to say that I'm back. We're gonna post more videos, more content for you to have for free education. All you can have, how to go out and dominate the market and make money in the market. That's what we do it, right? We love it and we want to make money. Right, so let's go on the recap I did today on SPY. I usually trade SPY, as you can see, right? I usually trade SPY and I have levels. So the way we analyze the market, it's we look at levels. It's called volume price analysis. We look at levels, we see the volume, and then we take the trade if it match a few criterias. But let's take a look here. What I saw here on the hourly chart. I usually charting have my levels with our hourly charts, and I saw 435 level area on confluence, as you can see over here. It was a resistance. It became support right here. You touch it once, touch it twice, and we came all the way up here pre-market. And there was one of the levels. We chart our levels 20 to 30 minutes before the market is open to know what's going on, and then we don't just chase trades, so you know what you're doing. Okay, we have this area over here that we have pre-market is 438.80 on SPY and 435.30 or so for support. So when the market opened, what I was looking for, a push above it, to see if we're gonna push above it, above the resistance area over here, and see if we're gonna have a nice, consolidation right here with high volume, so accumulation basically, and give another push higher, which didn't happen. So we waited to see what's gonna happen. This is two levels that we have, so it's a low risk, high reward. That's how we do it, and as you can see, those are two levels. So we went down from the hourly chart, and then we're going to go to the 15-minute chart. I'm going to look at that and see. Okay, market pushed over here pre-market, right? Okay, when we just watching, what we have the 1 minute chart. When we start trading, we have the 1 minute chart, we have the 5 minute chart, and then we have the 15-minute chart that help us indicate where to execute the trade the best possible win rate. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's look at 5 minute chart. Okay, this area on Thinkorswim, if you guys don't know, the market is open. Okay, so all we see here, we have the 9 EMA, we have the VWAP, and we have the 20 EMA. Okay, the VWAP is the most important one to know if the bulls or the bears are dominating the market. And we just watched and wait for our entry to present to us. And it basically was ranging over here. As you can see, opened with high volume. See the volume, right? Open with high volume and stay in this range. Was the range. We wanted to break the range. Broke the range. Went all the way down here. As you can see, high volume, and then the volume, as you can see, when you get closer to the level, the volume right here start decreasing. Decreasing. This candle right here, we waited to see what's going to happen here. The volume increased, as you can see here. I'll show you that with the other volume that I have. This is just a personal volume bar that I have. I'll see who has dominated the candle itself. But you got higher volume here, so it might be shifting in the trend. Then you look at this one. For me, it's anomaly. It doesn't mean anything. I mean, it means might be a change in direction, right? We got the bid and the ask close close to each other. There's no big spread in the candle. And when you look at it, you see the volume really decreased over here. And if I'll show you that with this chart, my execution chart, you will see that basically we got it here, the volume went up. See the volume here on this level here. We trapped the bears over here, the low volume, as you can see, and then that was the point when I got long, because I saw the anomaly over here, meaning the bears are not in control anymore, and this is this point when I went long. Okay, it's all volume price analysis. That's the way the market makers won't be able to trick you, because you see the volume can never be erased. And that's basically a trade that we took over here, and we wrote it from here to here. We took partial over here, always take partials, and we waited and we took all of my position around here, around the 436.20 area. So that was my trade of the day, and this trade, that's what we took, and that's it. We call it a day. So this is what it's important to have a pre-plan. Whatever you trade, I trade options. So whatever you trade, have a pre-plan of what your execution going to be. If you're going to have support, resistance, what's the support and resistance? If you trade particular stock, particular name. I had one that I was looking for as well. So this was on SPY. It was the main trade I took today. I didn't take any other trades. But if you look at Tesla, right? You look at Tesla on the weekly. I know it looks messy to you. Don't look at all the white ones. And you basically get the Fibonacci right here, right? You take it from the top to the swing low, the low over here, and this is just insane, right? All you have over here, you just a clear way up. That's the weekly. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row of green candles. The Fibonacci didn't work. I was looking to get a rejection at 270 area or so, but it looks like we're going to go all the way straight up to 300. So there's no rejections. I don't take rejections with this price action if it's not presented to me, and especially if you're going to go and don't have any confirmation. Look at that. Like, it's literally the bulls are in control. Almost every one of the candles that you see here, even that one. So did not have a trade on Tesla. I tried to look at AMD for a bounce, but I called it a day. So I did wait for AMD actually to get to the 117 area for a bounce. I knew it wouldn't happen today, so I'm still watching that. So I'm going to see if it's going to break to the low over here and fill basically this gap up to 110 or so, or we're going to have a bounce so we can ride it back up, because Nvidia is a beast. Is moving the market. So that was my recap for today. I'm going to post way more videos. I'll try to give you education on volume price analysis. This is the way you can dominate the market, and don't just chase trades, and know exactly your levels, especially as you can see here. It works. It works 70, 80, sometimes 85% of the times. So this is a good risk reward, especially when you trade options, and you catch those moves and you choose the right option. Sometimes the IV is the implied volatility crazy, and that's what we like to trade. So that's it for today. That is my recap, my trade that I took today. and I'll try to post some tomorrow and show some more trades. And if I'm going to have a trade tomorrow, I'm going to post that as well and give you some more education. I'll try to work on educational video and how to identify support and resistance, supply and demand, and how you can trade them with volume and candlestick pattern. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for tuning in.